COVID come and lockdown, we can't go nowhere. I'll go bust a pot in my house and stay home today. Welcome back to Arvin's Kitchen, and today I am going to be making a big pot of soup for me and my family to help keep our immune system strong and to fight away the coronavirus. Now, let's get started. So, we have our large pot with half the amount of water, as you can see. Now, I am going to add the ingredients to our water to make the soup. So here we have our yellow split peas. Barley. Arrows. Dasheen leaves. Green banana. Green plantain. Chopped up dasheen. Seasoning pepper. Chopped up spinach. Yams. Most important, our green seasoning, which is made from shallot, garlic, onion, thyme, and seasoning pepper. Now we are going to give our soup a good stir. So now I am going to be adding 3 packs of Maggi Super Salt. I am going to give it a good stir before I add the rest of the ingredients. Ah, look at the goodness there, boy. Corona got nothing on us. The soup smells amazing. There is deliciousness in Arvin's kitchen. A basin to make our dumpling. We have some flour, some baking powder, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of butter and sugar. I'm going to mix my ingredients well to form the dumplings. I now have the dough for my dumpling. The soup has boiled and I will add the dumpling that has already been broken up. Now that the dumplings have been added, I will be adding my fish, the last and final ingredient. Pot looking good, boy. Pot looking good. I can't wait to try this soup. Now I will cover the pot to let the fish steam. Look at the goodness here, boy. Look at it, folks. Look at it. A nice good soup. The moment we have all been waiting for. Now I will give you the review. Delicious! Don't forget to like and subscribe.